In the grand tapestry of human cognition, memory stands as a cornerstone. It's the vessel through which we store our life experiences, our knowledge, and the lessons we've learned. Whether you're a student navigating the labyrinth of exams, a professional aiming for excellence in your career, or an individual committed to enhancing your cognitive abilities, the art of memory and retention is a skill that can transform your life. In this comprehensive article, we're embarking on an enlightening journey deep into the labyrinth and corridors of your brain. We'll unravel the science of memory, explore the remarkable strategies, delve into the brain-boosting nutrition, uncover the benefits of exercise, and decode the mysteries of sleep, stress management, and technology in memory enhancement. Prepare to embark on a voyage that will empower you to unleash the full potential of your memory. Chapter 1. The Marvels of Memory. Memory is a beguiling phenomenon, enabling us to archive and retrieve information effortlessly. It's a system that separates humans from machines, allowing us to reflect on the past, plan for the future, and navigate the present. In this chapter, we'll commence our exploration by understanding the fundamental types of memory, from short-term to long-term, and the role our brain plays in this intricate process. Chapter 2. The Science of Memory. At the heart of memory lies an intricate dance between neurons, synapses, and neurotransmitters. In this chapter, we'll embark on a thrilling journey into the neurobiology of memory. We'll uncover how neurons encode information, the magic of memory consolidation, and the pivotal role played by the hippocampus, your brain's memory command center. Chapter 3. Memory and the Learning Connection. Memory and learning are inseparable companions on the path of knowledge. To maximize your memory, you must understand the synergy between them. In this chapter, we'll illuminate the symbiotic relationship between memory and the learning process. We'll explore the concept of active learning and unveil the profound role that sleep plays in cementing your memories. Chapter 4. Strategies for Memory Mastery. The treasure trove of memory-enhancing techniques is vast and diverse. In this chapter, we'll unearth a plethora of strategies that you can employ to elevate your memory game. From the ancient method of loci to modern mnemonic devices, spaced repetition, mind mapping, chunking, and the art of storytelling, you'll discover a treasure trove of methods to empower your memory. Chapter 5. Nourishing your memory with nutrition. The relationship between nutrition and memory is profound. In this chapter, we'll delve into the world of brain-boosting foods, such as omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, that have a tangible impact on cognitive function. We'll also discuss the importance of hydration and the intriguing gut-brain connection. Chapter 6. Exercising your mind and memory. Physical exercise is not only beneficial for your body but also your brain. In this chapter, we'll explore the interconnectedness of physical activity and memory enhancement. From aerobic exercise to strength training and the mindfulness of yoga and meditation, you'll gain insights into how movement nurtures memory. Chapter 7. The Restorative Power of Sleep. Sleep is the secret sauce for memory consolidation. In this chapter, we'll delve into the mystique of sleep and its role in memory enhancement. We'll share tips on creating the ideal sleep environment and discuss the impact of sleep disorders on memory. Chapter 8. Conquering stress for a sharper memory. Stress can be memory's adversary. In this chapter, we'll unravel the intricate relationship between stress and memory. You'll learn effective stress reduction techniques, including meditation, deep breathing exercises, and time management strategies. Chapter 9. Technology and Memory Enhancement. The digital age presents both challenges and opportunities for memory enhancement. In this chapter, we'll navigate the digital landscape, exploring memory enhancement apps, digital note-taking, and the effectiveness of brain training games. Chapter 10. Social Connections and Memory. Human interactions have a profound impact on memory. In this chapter, we'll delve into the cognitive benefits of social engagement. We'll explore the role of teaching in solidifying your own learning and the support networks that can boost your memory. Chapter 11. Memory Challenges in Aging. As we age, memory faces unique challenges. In this chapter, we'll distinguish between cognitive decline and normal aging. We'll equip you with strategies to age gracefully and provide guidance on seeking professional help when memory issues require attention. Chapter 12. A Lifelong Journey of Memory Mastery. Enhancing memory is a lifelong journey. In this final chapter, we celebrate the path you've embarked upon. We emphasize the importance of continuous learning, embracing memory challenges, and cherishing the successes along the way. Conclusion. Unlocking your brain's full potential. Enhancing memory and retention isn't a mere skill, it's a transformational journey. As you dive into the depths of memory enhancement, you'll realize that it's not just about recalling facts. It's about enriching your life, nurturing personal growth, and savoring the profound joy of lifelong learning. Memory is your key to unlocking a world of knowledge, and you're now armed with the insights and strategies to make the most of it. Let your memory become your ally in the grand adventure of life.